Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of Finding Your Perfect Cyprus Venue. My name is Rosa Martina from Royal Wedding Cyprus, and today we are showing you a winery venue. The name is Dafermou and it's located just outside of Lefkara village. The venue is located 30 minutes away from Larnaca and around 1 hour and 15 or 20 minutes away from Paphos. It offers venues for a civil wedding or only for dinner, so it's suitable for both destination weddings and local weddings. So stay tuned whilst we show you the venue. We are at a real wedding. The ceremony is starting shortly. The ceremony venue is just behind me and it can host up to 180 people. The chairs included in the venue are the white chairs, or you can opt for the wooden crossback chairs as the couple today have, in which case you have a charge of €2.50 per chair, but they match the character of the winery much better. Also, another important thing to point out is that the ceremony is fully open, so it's extremely sunny and hot. That is why it is always recommended to have your ceremony at 5 p.m. or later. Your welcome drinks just before the ceremony, as well as your cocktail reception after, are taking place at that area just behind me. The welcome drinks are starting from around €3, and the canapes are starting from €1.30, and you have a broad selection of drinks and canapes to choose from. Another important thing to mention is that if you'd like to surprise your guests with a favor or some gifts, either to welcome them or later on at the dinner tables, you can get the small bottles of the white, red or rosé wine produced by the winery. And you can get their branding and logo, or you can get a special branding and logo tailored to you. This is the beautiful dinner venue. It can host up to 550 people, and if you have more than 250 guests, you don't pay any venue hire fee. If you have less than 250 guests, there is a venue hire fee. It is starting from €1,000 and it goes more if you have less guests coming. The standard setup for the venue is with white chairs, with the round tables as tonight, but with beige tablecloths. Obviously, as in all the venues, cutleries, plates and glasses are included. If you would like to go for a different setup and different decor, as today's couple chose to do, then it is an extra cost, and you can arrange this always with your wedding planner. So you can have something like today with wooden crossback chairs and round tables with white tablecloth, or you can go for a total different look, maybe a bit more rustic one with long wooden tables and different chairs. The ceremony has just started, so I have to be a little bit quiet, but let's talk about the menus and the drinks. So the menu price is €57 per person, and basically you get to choose your own dishes. So you choose 5 salad sections, 9 main courses, 1 carvery station and 4 sweets, plus seasonal fruits, and you get all of those plus unlimited wines from the winery, of course, local beer, soft drinks, juices and water at the price of €57 per person. If you'd like to add spirits, then there are a few packages which are also affordable, starting from €6 per person. And if you'd like a special bar with cocktails, then the venue can arrange that as well, and you can choose and make up your own cocktail menu. Also, it is really important to mention that the beautiful festoon lights that are all over the dinner venue are included in the venue hire fee, so you don't pay anything extra for that. If you would like to book your special day in Cyprus at the lovely Dafermou Winery, kindly note that the deposit for this is €1,000. Also, there is an indoor bit which can host up to 350 people for dinner, but it's currently undergoing some renovations, so stay tuned for another episode when we're going to review this new look for you. My name is Rosa Martina from Royal Wedding Cyprus, and thank you for joining me for this episode of Finding Your Perfect Cyprus Venue. This was the Dafermou Winery, and stay tuned for our new episode with another beautiful venue in Cyprus.